Hey guys, so I'm here with a little bit of a showing off today. I'm showing off backyard finds. Look at this. This avocado was grown in Florida in Raymond's backyard. First fruit from this avocado tree, avocado he ate 10 years ago, and he planted the seed and he was excited and he called me up to say, Alicia, oh my God, I ate the avocado today. I'm gonna try to plant the seed. And he did. And look at God. Look at God. 10 years later. Why we not eating? Because we're not putting stuff in the ground. Why we going to the supermarket and buying poison shit? Because we're not putting stuff in the ground. All right? Especially the people that live where there is good temperature all year long. Why are we not putting stuff in the ground? So I was having a little snack. Okay, some little wine and a piece of fish and some avocado is what I'm eating, and my tomatoes from the backyard with a little bit of cayenne pepper and salt, and I have a sweet sop. Backyard finds. Yeah. You never see somebody so excited to eat something from their backyard. That's not true. That's me. Special. Yeah. But at this me come for show off. Look how pretty. A big backyard finds.